Good morning, children. How are you? I hope all of you are fine. It has been a long time. That means 6, 7 or 8 months since we met last. It was in March. Okay, but now we can start again. Are you ready? Yes, I know you are ready. First, we can start from the beginning. From the letters, we can start so that you will get a lot of ideas. And also, we want to make our handwriting very beautiful. You see how I have written here? Like that, you must develop a handwriting. Okay, I will do that also. Yes. Now, we can start from the letters. How many letters are there in English? Letters. In Hindi and Telugu, we have no letters, but we have alphabet. What we have? Alphabet. But in English, alphabet is not there. We have only letters, separate letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Total, how many letters are there in English? There are 26 letters. How many letters are there in English? There are. How many letters are there? There are. Like that, you have to start. There are 26 letters. These letters can be divided into two. Which are they? Vowels and consonants. Which are the vowels in Telugu? A, I, O, O, like that. But in English, 5 letters are there. How many letters are there? Vowels. See, A, E, I, O, U. Without these letters, we cannot make any word. Any word you take, we want any one of it. See, what are the consonant letters? Say, except these letters, all other letters are consonants. We use these both letters to make words. See, which are the consonant letters? B, A is here. That's a vowel. B, C, D, E is a vowel. So it is here. After E, F, G, H, I is here. So I is a vowel. J, K, L, M, N, O is here. O is a vowel. P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, V, S, T, U is here. U is a vowel. V, W, X, Y, Z. These are the total. How many are there? 26 letters. 5 letters are vowels. Without these vowels, we cannot make any word. See, B, A, T, bat. C, A, T, cat. B, E, D, bed. F, A, N, fan. C, H, O, U, S, E, house. Like that, we want both letters to make words. Without vowels, we cannot make a word. Understand? Now, whatever I teach you, write down in your notebook. And also, after writing this, I will teach you how to write in good hand. Okay, I will teach you how to write in good hand. Now write down this. A. Start from below and come up, then come here. Then like this. Then start from here, small letter. Go up and come again up. Next start from here, B. One line first. Then like this, B. Then small letter start from up, B. Then C, small c, D. Then start D, small letter from here, go up, come down and do like this. Then again E, small letter within the middle lines. Next F, like E, like two lines. Then write a small letter, touch the four lines. See. Next G capital, go up to here, then come down. Then small letter in the middle line. Yes. Next H we can start. See. H. Small letter start from up like this and like this. Then I. I. Small letter like this. Dot. Next, what is the letter J? See, like J. Small letter from here like this. J. Come down. Then K. Capital letter. C. K. K. Small letter K like this. Start from the center, go up, do like this. How nice it is. Up from here, go to the middle line and K. Next L. L. Small capital letter, small letter like this. L. Next M. Come down like this. See how nice it is. Like that you want to write. Then small letter start from here. See. Next N. Start from up. N. Small letter start from here. See. O. Three letters. Three lines. O. Small letter like this only. P. From up, come down like this. Then small letter line come down to the bottom line. P. Next Q. First top three. Q. Small letter Q. Then R. R. Small letter, how to write? See, like this. R. Next, S. First three line. S. Small letter like this. S. T. T. Small letter like this. T. U. First three line. U. See, the same way. See. Next, V. These things are very important because let us look very beautiful like this. V. W. W. Small letter like this. X. Start from here, go down like this. From here we start through the center, cross, come like this. Small x is also like that only. You have to write x. Then y. Y. Small letter y go down. X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z. See, Z. Small letter like this. Now you have to practice this on your 4-line books. Understood? I think all of you have 4-line books. You have to write 2 or more than 2 times until you learn these letters. Then practice in another book many times. How nice these letters look when you write in your book, and without these lines it will look very beautiful. And also learn how to write in straight line. It will take some time, continuous practice. Then only you will learn how to write in good hand. Good handwriting is very important to get a good mark and to impress other teachers. When you are in the 10th class or in the any class, seeing your handwriting, we give you full mark. Why? Because we are happy with your handwriting. 10th class also, evaluators, those who are checking paper don't know us. Understand? They will see only our paper. If our papers are very neat and clean, in good handwriting, they will give you full mark. In English, there's a saying, what is that? Samedam undi in English. Handwriting reveals the character. Seeing your handwriting, we can understand whether you are a lazy student or hard-working student. So all of you must be very hard-working students. Okay? Then write down all these things in your 4-line book